Hey friend, hey, welcome to Stay Calm and Budget. Today we're going to be stuffing some envelopes from our last paycheck in February that's going to be paying the bills for March and starting our sinking funds for March. So if you'd like to see how much we're stuffing, stay tuned. Hey friend, hey, welcome back to Stay Calm and Budget. If you're new here, welcome. If not, hey friend, hey. We are going to be stuffing our cash envelopes and our sinking funds today for the last paycheck in February, starting the March paychecks. Well, starting the March envelopes, shall I say, not paychecks. So, further ado, let's bring out the money pouch. See what we're going to be stuffing. As we count these, I will plug them in our calculator. All right, let's start with the hundreds. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 800. 800. Put you in your home. By the way, we have a new office, new setup. Super excited to get some things happening around here. All right, for the 50s, we have 51, 52, 53, 50. So we have 350. Okay, all right, okay. Take out these 20s. Of course, we always have a lot of 20s. We have 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40, 60, 80, 2, 20, 40, 60, 80, 3, 20, 40, 60, 80, 4, 20, 40, 60, 80. We have plus 480. Take out these 10s. We have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 110. We got this plus 110. And then the 5s, we have 3 5s, which is 15. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, plus $6 equals. So upside down, let's fix you. So for right now, we're going to be stuffing $1,767. I went ahead and kept the $200 that we were going to pay HelloFresh in the bank, and I went ahead and paid that. So if we were to add that $200, oops, I didn't do it right, plus 200, we'll be stuffing $1,967, but we are stuffing what I said we were stuffing. Those $200 are gone to HelloFresh. By the way, if you are not on HelloFresh, just check it out. You might like it. So, as always, let's start with our beautiful wallet. All right. Look at her. So prettified in her gloriousness. All right, let's go through, see what we have left over. Probably none, because it was a rough 2 weeks, you guys, and you know, with the prices going up, it was hard. So as you see, I have nothing in personal, nothing in groceries, nothing in gas, and would you believe I have something in eat out? So we have $10 in eat out, it looks like. Yeah, $10. We're gonna set that to the side right here. But look at this, broken. I was an OG when I saved my my ones. Let me tell you, an OG. So look at all these ones. Also, I think when I had filled up the first time, I think it was like $7 that I had in change, and the teller, instead of giving me $5 and 2 ones, I got all 7s, and I'm like, really? You know, because I'm so committed with saving with my $1 challenge, I had to put it in my $1 little envelope. So look at all these $1. Ain't that crazy? Not even gonna count it. I'm gonna put it over here because you know where it's going. All right, so let's get this started. You know, with my my personal, I do, I think I did, yeah, I do 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40, 60, 81. So I take $80 and I put it into my personal, and then the last $20 goes into my eat out. Alrighty, I'm flipping back. Groceries. So groceries is going to get $353. So we did for groceries 3 100s, 50, and $3. Sorry, I was looking at what I had wrote out to make sure I'm getting the correct denomination. So let's count this for groceries. We have 1, 2, 3, 50, 1, 2, 3. So when we did the budget with me, we actually had $550 for the groceries. But like I said, we kept the $200 in the bank to send that over to HelloFresh. All right, my gas, I get $200. Is this open? Yeah. So $200. I did 2 100s. As you know, I like to see the face. Let me see your face, Mr. Franklin. And we filled out eat out, and $1 doesn't get filled until we start spending stuff. So that is my cash wallet. And let's take out the stuff for my wife. So my wife is going to get $150 for her gas, and we did $350s for her. $350 for her gas. And then her personal did 20, 40, 60, 80, 1. So just counting hers, she has 50, 1, 50, 70, 90, 210, 230, 250. 250 going over to the wife. We're gonna set that to the side when I see her. All right. Let's move on to the people binder. The people binder. All right, I have not updated my trackers, in which I will do after the video. Miss Shania will get her $20. Put that in here. Before the $20, I thought I didn't update my trackers, and then when I realized, I was like, oh crap, I'm doing it again when I had already did it. So don't mind it, scratch off. And I didn't realize until after I did a couple of them. I'm like, wait a minute. After I did Nadia's, I was like, wait a minute, I did update it. As Kaimana say, silly me, silly me. So before the $20, she has $364. So let's see what we have now. Come on. Act right, get right. 1, 2, 3, 20, 40, 60, 75, 80, 1, 82, 83, 84. So she has 3 $384. Go Shania, $384. All right, okay, Nadia, trying to skip a child. You see that? I'm trying to skip all the way to the Kaimana, and we got Miss Nadia next, and we got 20. Put that there. Before she had $379, so we're gonna add a 20 to that. So she should have $399. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 50, 70, 90, 5, 96, 97, 98, 99, $399. She's in here with me right now, and I'm quite sure she's listening to keep track of how much she do have in her folder, aren't you? I know. And Miss Kaimana, before the $20, she has $497, so she is well over that 500 threshold now. Woo woo. All right, we put that 20 there, and Kaimana has 1, 2, 3, 4, 50, 70, 90, 5, 10, 5, 15, 5, 16, 5, 17. So she has 517. Oh, get it, girl. Get it, girl. Get it, girl. Alrighty, so since we just finished with Kaimana, guess who pops in the room? Kaimana. Alright, so we have Pumbaa, and this is going to be gone because I have him set up to go get a full groom, because my little puppy is looking like a shag rug when I tell you. He's 150 pounds and just full of fur, and I know the kids are tired of vacuuming and me sweeping, and it's just fur everywhere. So anyway, I'm gonna add these 20 in, but next time we do a cash stuffing here, probably be down to 0. So we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 1.
Mom, tomorrow I don't need to do.
No, Kaimana. Alrighty, so moving on to allowance. We know that allowance has $40. Alright, so we're going to count it 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. So 280 we have in allowance. Alright. Mona, get off the door, please. After I do the video. After I do the video, okay? Alright, so my brother is getting $60, and he's getting 3 20s. So right now, Tony has 20, 40, 60. Let's turn it around. 60, 80, 100. 10, 15, 16, 17, 18. So $118. Tony is on a roll. All right, and gifts is getting $5 as usual. So we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. All right, so that's that with gifts. Come on. There you go. All right, so we are moving on to the hum binder. All righty. Of course, you know we have HOA. HOA is getting $63. Before I add the 63, we're at 191. So 63, we're adding 3 20s. 3 20s and our last of our 3 1s. And back. And we have 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. So 254 we have. So I know how much the HOA is. So when we're at this number, that means it's almost time to pay it out. Okay. Health. Before we add, how much is health? $10. Before we add the $10, we're at $80. So we're gonna add that, and we're at 20, 40, 60, 80, and 90. For health, date night, family time, yeah. All right, so that's getting $15. So 5 and a 10. This is all backwards. I don't know why. Wait a minute. All right, there we go. So date night, we're at 1, 10. See, you're backwards. Let's start over. We're at 1, 10, 20, 5, 35. We're at 135. Traveling is going to get $25. So we're going to do a 20 and a 5. So we have 20, 40, 60, 5, 75. So, you know, we are starting over with the travel. We're at 75 after my mom's wedding. Household, which is home improvement, which is getting $30. Let's turn this over. So that's a 20 and a 10. And a 10. And now we have 150, 2, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70. So we have 270. Car lowering. Car lowering is getting $20. So we have 150, 70, 90, 210, 230. Wait. 150, 70, 90, 210, 220, 230. There we go. I was like, wait a minute, that didn't sound right. Alrighty, 30. Come on, there we go. Car maintenance is also getting $20. We took the rest of that out when we went and got an oil change. So the rest of the money that you see here is going to the savings challenges, and also going into the $1 challenge, and we'll see what else we have. Alrighty, thank you guys for coming by. Thank you guys for showing up and showing out. Please like, share, and subscribe to this video. Share this video with anyone that may need any inspiration on starting any sinking funds, or starting a sinking fund, showing how they can grow over time. But if I can do this, you guys can do it. As I always tell you, something is always better than nothing. I believe in you. You have to believe in yourself. You got this. And until our next video, which is our savings challenge video, I shall see you guys soon. Till then,